Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an Outlook email account. First, open your preferred browser and search for Outlook. Once the search results appear, open the official Outlook website. On the website, look for the option that says Create Free Account and click on it. Next, you will be prompted to choose between different email extensions. Pick the one you prefer, then enter the new email address you want to create. After entering the email address, click on Next. Now, you need to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password, enter it, and then click Next. You will be asked to enter your complete name. Fill in your first and last name. Then click Next again. The next step is to select your current region and enter your date of birth. After providing this information, click on Next. Finally, you will need to complete a verification process. Follow the instructions of the human verification, and once done, your new Outlook email account will be created and ready to use. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.